Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the Google Gemini app not working problem on your phone. Okay, let's start. First, open your Google Gemini app. See, this is the problem, not working Google Gemini app. Okay, first open your Google Play Store and now search here Google Gemini app. Click on the Gemini app and check update Google Gemini app. My Google Gemini app already updated. Okay, back. Second step, open your phone settings and scroll down and click on the apps icon and scroll down and click on the Gemini app and now click on the storage option and clear data and delete data. Okay, back. Now open Google Gemini app and now search here, and I hope your problem has been successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.